Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Some students are asking about the grand exams or mock exam before final exams. So now we are going to announce CMA final grand exams as well as CMA enter grand examinations for students who are going to write their exams in June 2026. Yes. So clearly I'm saying in this video, for whom these mock exams or grand exams are useful. If your coaching already completed and your preparation also done, that means now you are in a final preparation. So last revision, then you can opt for these grand exams. Suppose your lot of revisions are pending or some subject not at all completed till now, then so please continue with your plan only. Don't enroll for this grand examinations. Again, I am saying, if already coaching completed, revisions also completed, if you are in final revision, then opt for these grand exams. Definitely this will be helpful for you. Otherwise, please skip this video and continue your preparation, or anyway you will get best result only. Now I will talk about the CMA final grand examination as it is final model paper, 30 marks MCQ, 70 marks descriptive. Yes, you can attend for these examinations in offline and online also. In offline, we will provide that means OMR sheet as well as an answer sheets also from our side. In online, you have to arrange everything. Next, sir, these are the scheduled exams. Schedule means what, sir? Today, if exam is scheduled, you have to complete that exam today itself. Yes, after 3 days, 4 days, if you are sending the answer sheet, we will not evaluate. Remember, scheduled exam means today, if exam is there, end of the today, you have to send the answer sheet within our website itself. Now, sir, how many grand exams are? 2 grand exams we are going to conduct for final. 2 grand exams. If you observe, if you are attempting only group 3 or group 4, every exam, yes, you can write it down with a gap of 3 days. That means 3 days gap is there. If you are attempting both groups, you will get only 1 day gap. This is a grand exam. You can opt for group wise also, or you can opt both groups also. That is your wish. Now, next one. Sir, after completion of grand exam 1, immediately we'll start grand exam 2. So here, if you are writing only group 3 or group 4, 1 day gap. So that means here 1 day gap you will get. Yes. Next, if you are writing both groups, there is no gap like final exam. So every day you have an exam if you are attempting both groups. So now as it is final schedule is applicable for enter also. Here also we have an same paper pattern. You can attend for exam online, offline also. And in online, we will not provide anything. In offline, we will provide OMR as well as answer sheets also. Answer sheet means nothing but you have to write it down. Whatever the papers we provided, within that you have to write the answer. Scheduled exam, that means if you completed exam on scheduled day, then only we will evaluate. Otherwise, we will not consider the answer sheet. This is an important point, please remember. So that's why at the beginning of this video, I clearly give an instruction. If your preparation already completed, you are in last revision, then only you can opt. Otherwise, skip this. No problem. Continue with your own plan. And that means before examination, you can practice yourself 1 or 2 exams. Okay. Now, here also the same grand exam 1. If you are attempting only one group, 3 days gap. Both groups you will get only 1 day gap. Grand exam 2. Yes, 1 day gap if you are writing the only one group. If you are writing both groups, there is no gap. It is like our final exam. Now, remember, what is a fees, sir? It is a very important thing, right? Yes. If you are attempting group wise, 1000 rupees. If you are attempting group wise, sir, simply, if you are attempting group 3, you are going to write 8 exams. That means grand exam 1, 4 papers, grand exam 2, 4 papers. Here also you are going to write the 8 exams. So here, that means 8 papers you can write. That means 4 papers once and another 4 papers another time. Here also the same both groups means nearly you can write 16 exams. Same fees applicable for enter also. Group wise 1000 rupees. Both groups 2000 rupees. Both groups 2000 rupees. So, sir, how to enroll for this? Yes, you can visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. Yes, and if you have any doubt, yes, you can contact with this number 630-990-1213. 630-990-1213. If you have any doubt, yes, you can contact with this number. Otherwise, you can log into our website directly. You can purchase the course. Remember, these are the exams are scheduled. That means if you completed exam on this date, then only your paper will be evaluated. Otherwise, we will ignore simply. So that's why. And one more thing, if your preparation already done, you are in last revisions, then you can do 2 revisions with these exams. Grand exam 1 revision you can complete. With the help of grand exam 2, you can complete 1 more revision. Yes, so that's end from our side. So thank you. Have a nice day.